Well, you probably won't be able to hear me, but we're getting 30-mile-an-hour wind, gusts of wind. It's crazy. All the apriums are gone. I ate them previously, but look at all these pluaries. Candy heart, sweet treat, and flavor punch. I haven't had 4 of these guys fall off, but man, some of these gusts of wind are just crazy. It's destroying these trees and the fruit. Look at how dry they're looking. Oh man, that's no good. But it's part of nature. Stuff happens. And you can't prepare for all of it. It's either too hot or too cold, too windy to get really good fruit on all these different varieties. Ideologically, I would hope that I would get hundreds of fruit from each of these trees. But after this windstorm, I'll be lucky if I get half of what I was planning on getting. Spice Z Nectaplum, pretty darn ugly. But none have fallen on the ground, which is great. Same with the Indian peach. They hold up pretty good. The donut peach, though, I think these are the Saturn. Nope, flat, wonderful peaches. They're getting destroyed even after thinning them. Oh, really? Thank you, dude. Yeah, that's crazy. I'm losing a lot of fruit. But it's okay. I have a lot of trees. Living on the edge of nowhere. So we get the brunt force of these southerly winds. A couple of years ago, it was like this every single day. Go wind! All right, peeps. It's not all beautiful, happy, growing fruit. Sometimes this stuff happens. Have a stellar day.